Okay, the first thing that you have to do is grab your hair, separate two parts, please. Then grab like little parts, like 2 fingers, and then you roll it with your, well, the point here is doing roll it and twist at the same time, so you're gonna have a really nice beach waves. By the way, those are my eyelashes, not that I'm not wearing for my eyelashes. And look at that. Well, so I'm gonna do it like really slow so you can get it. Basically, you have to grab a piece like 2 fingers. Like if you could like this, it's gonna be 2 fingers. Then you roll it and at the same time twist, roll it, twist, roll it, twist, roll it, twist. You see my wrist is rolling and then twisting at the same time. So basically that's what you have to do. You wait like 10 seconds. Well, I do like 7. And that's it. You have a really nice beach waves. Usually what I do, I use heat protector before using any heat, because I'm really curly hair, natural curly hair. I use a flat iron before. But if you have straight hair or wavy hair, you don't need to. You just grab the curling iron, you roll it and twist it at the same time, and you're gonna have a really nice beach waves, especially for New Year's Eve. Yeah, using my makeup, I'm getting ready, girl. And that's it. You roll it and twist it. Nice. And then you do the opposite way, the other side. By the way, you should use a glove, like literally, because I forgot to use mine. Let me put it. And okay, so for the other side, you're gonna do the opposite. You're gonna grab the one, okay, with the other hand, and like I'm doing the right side right now, and you see that I'm going like back instead of doing it on the direction to my face, because then you're gonna have all the waves looking at your face. You don't want that basically. So you roll it and twist it at the same time. You wait like 10 to 5 seconds. Depends on your hair. I mean, if you have super fine hair, just grab it 1, 2, 3 and let it go. If you have really thick hair, you should wait a little bit, because the way your hair is, it depends on how much heat you can resist. Don't put that much here. Your hair is not gonna resist and you're gonna burn your hair. You don't want that. So my recommendation is always use a heat protector.
After you finish, you can just put a little bit of shine. So in the back side, the top one, you just push it in the front, so you're gonna have your hair like look into your front, not in the back. So you can see what basically you're doing. So you can see you're twisting and rolling at the same time, okay?
And if you like my makeup, you can tell me too. You can leave it a comment. I love it. This is the first time that I do a cut crease. I never used a cut crease before, but I'm really loving it, like too much. So I'm gonna practice more. I'm gonna do a tutorial about that. I usually do other type of makeup, never cut crease, but I basically love it. Like so cute. Like I look like Barry Glam right now. Okay, also, so you let it go. And here, we're good. Okay, then you do the same thing with the other half of your hair. So this is really easy to do. You can do it, I mean, I have lots of hair, but if you don't have that much as me, you're gonna do it like in 5 minutes, literally. Okay. I look funny. Like, look at this. I'm curly girl. I'm super curly. By the way, I don't use keratin or anything. I used to do, but a few years ago. And it really messed up my hair. And I said, you know what? I'm not gonna do it anymore. I'm not gonna do any relaxer or keratin. I stopped doing like 3 years ago.
So all my hair is natural. I just flat iron on the side or blow dryer sometimes. Oh shit. I know. I love the eyeliner. It's so cute. I use Ofra Rodeo Dry. I love it. Like, love it. It doesn't need to be perfect because at the end I'm going to brush it. But at least you have the waves. I don't want to be perfect because at the end it looks like really fake. So basically what I do my whole hair and then after that I brush it and it looks so nice, like so cute. So basically you just cut your hair like 5 pieces because for me I have too much hair. But if not, you can do it really fast. 5 minutes and that's it. I used to do this like 5 minutes literally for lots of people. But because I have lots of hair, like too much. I'm a lion, literally. I'm Leo. But yeah, you just put, how many pieces do you need?
Okay, back. So now, after you finish, you just brush it. You're gonna have a beautiful hair. And it was gonna look like you went to the salon, girl. Wow, it looks good. I mean, if you like it, I love it. Looks different. So after you finish, what I do first of all, I must dry my hair. How I do this, I use different products. Usually I do with coconut oil, or maybe I use olive oil. I love this product.
I think I have too much hair on one side. Well, it doesn't matter. The point here is how to do the curls and the waves. Of course, this is gonna not look like that for a few hours. I mean, in a few hours, it's gonna be nice, but not too tight. I usually do it super tight, so in a few hours, it's gonna be like more loose, natural look. Okay. So after you finish, you just pour a little bit of this on your ends, especially they need and here. Nice. Okay.
And if you want to hold a little bit your hair, you can use a little bit hairspray. This is Garnier Fructique Style Flexible Control Hairspray. I usually I get the number 2 Stronghold. I mean, you can use the number that you want to be. I don't want super hold, so Stronghold is enough. It doesn't look like it makes your hair like super comfortable. You can grab it, you can squeeze it, and anything is gonna happen. So after you finish, you just pour a little bit of this. Oh, it smells so good. And you're all set. I mean, I use these products only when I have like New Year's Eve or something like that, and I want to be like super cute the whole night. But if you don't need to, I don't use it. Unless, I mean, the olive oil, yeah. This one, yes. The other one does. But, hope that you love the waves. Looks amazing for me. They're really tight right now, but that's why I did to last the whole night. It's gonna be a long line. I don't know until what time, but it's gonna be long. So, you can be like, oh la la. Hope that you love this hair tutorial. Hopefully you love my page. Please subscribe, helps up. Please, like super much, a lot. Hope that you like my makeup too. I'm gonna do a tutorial next time. I'm not gonna do a tutorial for this specially one, but I'm gonna practice again. I'm gonna do it, and I hope you're gonna love it. And please tell your friends and family and co-workers or anybody